What if your content could post itself? What if your AI clone could run your brand, grow your audience, and make money while you're literally sleeping or living your life? That's exactly what I've been building. And in this video, I'll show you how I automated my AI clone so she creates, posts, and even replies while I stay offline. Let's go. Here's something I learned after creating my AI clone. Creating content is actually fun, but consistency is what builds a brand. The problem is we are human. We get tired, distracted, or busy. That's why automation is the real secret. Your AI twin doesn't sleep, it doesn't need motivation, and it never loses momentum. So I'll show you how to use simple AI tools to let your clone post and grow automatically without hiring anyone. You don't need to be teachy for this. Here's a list of tools I use. With Google Gemini, I use it to create new images and ideas for my clone. I also use Pinterest for constant outfit and aesthetic inspiration. I sometimes use TikTok or CapCut to edit AI shorts. And you can use Notion or Trello to organize your content calendar. You can also use Metricool, Plan or Later to auto-schedule posts to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. ChatGPT or Gemini Text Mode can be used to write captions, replies, and descriptions. Now let's walk you through how to make this all work together. Now create 10 to 15 AI images in Gemini. This will be your clone. It can be in different settings like work, cafe, luxury, lifestyle, travel, etc. Then you put those images into CapCut. Make 5 to 7 short videos in one sitting and save them. And the third step is to schedule those videos for auto posting using Metricool or Plan. Now your twin is working, creating and posting consistently without you touching your phone every single day. Let's make your clone talk. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT to write captions that sound like you. Just create a persona prompt. For example, you are my AI version, an inspiring digital creator who writes confident, feminine, and motivational captions. Now copy that tone into all your posts. For engagements, you can even pre-write replies. For example, thank you so much, stay tuned, I'll share more AI tips soon. Or yes, it's all done with Google Gemini, you'll love it. This keeps your page active like 24/7 even while you're busy. Once your clone is posting consistently, it's time to plug in passive income streams. Add affiliate links to your descriptions. Make sure to also promote your digital products. And use pinned comments to lead viewers to your office. Even while you sleep, your AI twin can bring in new followers, leads, and sales every single day. So far, we've built your AI twin. We've taught her how to create content, and now she's running on autopilot. This is the future of digital entrepreneurship. Faceless, automated, and scalable. Next week, I'll show you how to turn your AI brand into a real digital business, setting up offers, pricing, and content funnels that convert views into income. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Your AI twin deserves an upgrade.